Mr. Buffett, how can I make $30 billion?
Start young. Charlie's always said that the big thing about it is we started building this little snowball on top of a very long hill. So
Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the life principles that have propelled Warren Buffett to extraordinary success in business, life, and happiness. Over the years, he has graciously shared his wisdom in his own words, and today, we bring those insights to you. Join us on this enlightening journey as we explore the principles that have shaped Warren Buffett's remarkable achievements. From his emphasis on long-term thinking and the power of compounding, to his unwavering commitment to continuous learning and integrity, we'll uncover the secrets behind his enduring success. Discover how Warren Buffett navigates the complexities of the business world with his unique blend of patience, discipline, and calculated risk-taking. Learn how he finds joy and fulfillment in his work while maintaining a balanced and happy life. Through engaging discussions, practical examples, and inspiring anecdotes, we'll bring you closer to understanding the mindset and strategies that have made Warren Buffett an icon of success. So, if you're eager to unlock the life principles that can guide you towards your own achievements in business, life, and happiness, hit that subscribe button and become part of our community. Together, let's learn from the best and embark on a journey of growth and fulfillment. Remember, greatness awaits. Let's make it happen. Tip number 1. In the pursuit of financial success, one timeless piece of advice stands out. Start building wealth as early as possible. Renowned investor Warren Buffett, known for his remarkable journey to riches, emphasizes the importance of time and compounding. Alice Schroeder, author of The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life, shares insights into Buffett's philosophy. She highlights the value of time and its exponential effect on one's financial journey. By being thoughtful and strategic in your actions, you can set yourself up for powerful results in the future. Buffett himself emphasizes the significance of investing in education and continuous learning from an early age. By doing so, you allow knowledge to compound over the longest period, maximizing its impact. It's crucial to choose knowledge that is cumulative, building upon itself, rather than focusing on short-term trends that may become obsolete. Warren Buffett attributes his wealth to a combination of factors: living in America, fortunate genetics, and the power of compound interest. This serves as a reminder that wealth accumulation is a result of various elements coming together. So, if you're a young individual seeking to embark on a path to financial prosperity, take inspiration from Warren Buffett's wisdom. Start early, invest in your education, and make choices that will benefit you in the long run. Remember, time is your ally, and with the right mindset and actions, you can create a snowball effect that propels you towards wealth. Tip number 2. In the words of the legendary investor, Warren Buffett, accounting numbers, of course, are the language of business, and as such are enormous help to anyone evaluating the worth of a business and tracking its progress. As Warren Buffett emphasizes, accounting is not just a mere set of numbers, but rather the language that allows us to truly understand the financial health of a business. It is through accounting that we can uncover valuable insights and make informed decisions. However, it's important to remember, as Warren Buffett reminds us, that accounting is an aid to business thinking, never a substitute for it. It is crucial for managers and owners to grasp the true essence of accounting and utilize it as a powerful tool for evaluating businesses. Remember, accounting holds the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of businesses. So if you're eager to unravel the secrets of accounting and its role in assessing the worth of a business, this channel is your gateway to knowledge. Join our community and gain the confidence to decipher the language of business. Tip number 3. In the world of investing, Warren Buffett's approach to selecting stocks is a masterclass in being meticulous and strategic. He believes in studying numerous stocks, but only choosing a select few to invest in. Buffett dedicates extensive research to every stock that piques his interest, but he remains patient and waits for the opportune moment to buy, ensuring he gets a good price on a great company. Interestingly, it's worth noting that only a small fraction of the stocks he invests in end up generating the majority of his lifetime returns. This teaches us a valuable lesson. It's crucial to be highly discerning when making investment decisions and allocating capital in the stock market. Buffett's approach goes beyond what can be captured by a simple stock screener. He looks for intangible qualities that set exceptional companies apart. When purchasing a stock, he views it as acquiring a business and seeks future consistent cash flows at a discounted price. He values high-quality management and a competitive edge that is not easily replicable. A company with a strong barrier to entry for potential competitors is particularly appealing to him. Additionally, he prefers companies that can maintain and grow earnings and dividends without relying heavily on debt. He also seeks businesses with a type of monopoly, whether through technology, a unique business model, or strong brand recognition. Pricing strength that can keep up with inflation is another factor he considers. To further refine his selection process, Buffett sets certain criteria. He looks for companies with a market capitalization of $300 million or more in the US. He also considers the current operating margin percentage, which should be equal to or greater than the industry's current median. Similarly, the current net margin percentage should meet or exceed the industry's current median. Buffett pays attention to the 3-year earnings per share growth percentage from operations, which should be higher than the 7-year earnings per share growth percentage from operations. Furthermore, he examines the latest filing return on equity percentage, which should be greater than 12%, along with the 7-year average return on equity percentage. Lastly, Buffett keeps an eye on a company's long-term debt, which should be less than 5 times its earnings. By following these guidelines, he identifies the top 50 stocks with the highest 7-year earnings per sales growth percentage from operations. By adopting Buffett's meticulous and strategic approach, investors can increase their chances of selecting stocks that have the potential to deliver long-term success. Remember, investing requires patience, research, and a discerning eye for exceptional opportunities. Tip number 4. In the pursuit of financial success, one must tread carefully when it comes to college debt. But what does the legendary investor Warren Buffett think about the value of business school? Let's delve into his perspective. According to Warren Buffett, the worth of business school depends more on the individual than the institution itself. He believes that while some individuals can greatly benefit from advanced education, others may find it less valuable. In fact, he goes as far as saying that not everyone needs to attend college at all. Buffett emphasizes that committing to college involves significant factors such as the 4-year time commitment, the associated costs, and potentially taking on loans. He believes that the decision to pursue higher education should be based on an individual's interests and goals in life. So, if you're considering business school or college in general, it's essential to evaluate your own aspirations and weigh the potential benefits against the costs involved. Remember, Warren Buffett believes that college is not for everyone. As you navigate your path to financial success, keep in mind the wisdom of Warren Buffett and make informed decisions that align with your unique circumstances and ambitions. Tip number 5. One of the key lessons from Warren Buffett is to seize opportunities aggressively when they arise. As he famously said, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. This mindset encourages us to be bold and proactive in our pursuit of success, recognizing that golden chances may be rare but immensely rewarding. Reflecting on his own experiences, Buffett acknowledges that some of the biggest mistakes he has made were not investing at all, even when he understood the potential for great returns. He emphasizes the importance of maximizing investments once we have committed to them. Buffett admits that his mistakes are more likely to be ones of omission, where he failed to take action. rather than commission, where he made a wrong move. Tip number 6. Surrounding oneself with winners is a valuable strategy for personal growth and success. According to Warren Buffett, it is beneficial to associate with individuals who possess qualities and traits that one aspires to have. By doing so, one is likely to be influenced positively and move closer to their desired direction. Warren Buffett emphasizes the significance of choosing the right life partner, as they can greatly impact one's life and aspirations. Marrying the right person can bring about significant changes in various aspects of life. Additionally, Warren Buffett suggests that surrounding oneself with people who are better than oneself can be highly advantageous. Being in the company of what he refers to as high-grade people can lead to adopting their positive behaviors and characteristics. On the other hand, if one spends time with individuals who exhibit negative behaviors, there is a likelihood of being influenced in that direction. This seems to be a natural tendency. On this channel, we explore these valuable insights and provide practical guidance on how to identify and seize opportunities, make informed investment decisions, and avoid the pitfalls of inaction. Together, we will learn from the wisdom of Warren Buffett and apply it to our own financial journeys. So if you're a young individual eager to make the most of your financial opportunities, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's embark on this exciting adventure towards wealth creation and make the most of every opportunity that comes our way.